In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a label in Google Keep. This should take about 5 minutes, so let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Google browser. Once you've opened it, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see the Google Apps icon, which looks like a small grid of squares. Go ahead and click on that. It's your doorway to all the different Google services you can access, including Google Keep. Once you've clicked on the Google Apps icon, you'll see a drop-down menu with various options. From here, you should find Google Keep. It might not be immediately visible if you have a lot of apps, so you might need to scroll a bit, but rest assured, it's there. Click on Google Keep to open it. Now that you're in Google Keep, let's focus on getting to the labels. At the left-hand sidebar, you'll see an option named Edit Labels. Click on that and it will present you with a list of all the labels that you've created in Google Keep. This is where you'll manage and organize your labels. Next, you'll want to identify the specific label that you want to delete. Let's assume you found it. Directly beside each label, there's a small trash bin icon that appears. Once you've located the label you intend to delete, click on this trash bin icon. This will prompt a confirmation message as Google Keep wants to make sure you really intend to delete the label. After you've clicked the trash bin icon, a confirmation window will pop up, most likely asking you to verify your decision to delete the label. Click on delete to confirm your choice. This is a crucial step as clicking cancel will take you back without making any changes. Finally, once you've deleted the label, you will want to click done. This will exit the label editing mode and apply the changes you just made. It's a simple but important wrap up to ensure that all your actions are properly saved, and that's it. You've successfully deleted a label in Google Keep. Always remember that labels in Google Keep are a handy tool for organizing your notes, so use them wisely. If you ever need to create new ones, simply navigate back to the Edit Labels section to start fresh. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.